Hello guys, this is Jitendra from Letscms Private Limited. Today I am going to represent my extension of the Magento that is used for the affiliate marketing. So we put the name of this one product as a Uni-level MLM plan that is compatible with the 2.4 version of the OpenCard. Okay, so right now I am just going to show you the admin section of my extensions by which the users easily can install that one and make the configurations. So right now I am just logging as an admin in my portal or the store of the Magento. You will get all the information in the description of the product. So here, as you are able to see the screen, here the Unilevel Letscms Unilevel plan. So where is the configurations part, like the Unilevel configurations, create root users, payout commissions, payout bonuses, run payout, genealogy, customers reports, payout reports, and the withdrawal reports. So we are just going to the Unilevel configurations part, but as we will go with the Unilevel configuration part, there we need to first of all create the root member of the affiliate network, but we have already created this one user as a root user, so we don't need to create here. Only on I am just going to show you the configuration part of our product, that is the general configuration part of the Unilevel MLM plan, where the order status is the mapping with the orders of the Magento. So if the order of the Magento like the complete, or here is also the complete, so at that case the commissions will be distributed, and whatever the functionality will be happen in this one based on the order matching, this will be happen. Like suppose the order is placed by the customer and the order is in the pending, okay, and here in the settings the order status is complete, so it means that there will not be anything like no commission, nothing related to the functionality. But as the order will be complete of the Magento, the status of the order will be matched with our complete order status. So why that one, the calculations will be happen there for regarding the commissions. Here is the label. So this is the label, like that the how many levels you want to distribute the commission in your network. Max referral, it means that how many users or the customers you can add under you, okay. So this is the max referrals there. Minimum withdrawal, it means that if you are having the earnings, or if you have earned the commission, then definitely the minimum 10 USD or whatever the currency is given in the store will be considered as a minimum. So you can put here anything whatever you want. Maximum withdrawal, it means that this is the withdrawal process that can be max, can be requested, like the max amount can be requested for the withdrawal fee amount. This is the amount of the fee whenever the user or the customer will try to get the money using the withdrawal, then this will be the admin charges basically, or the company charges per withdrawal. So it can be changed whatever you want to have. Withdrawal fee type, this is the fee type, it means that withdrawal fee amount 5% or the fixed amount, whatever you want to have this one. So this is regarding the general settings of our application. In the next video I will explain the eligibility, bonus settings, label commission, payout settings, and the email settings, and after that one we will go ahead for the other part of this applications. Thank you guys.